So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in continuation of our previous lectures, still we have to continue the alcohol poisoning. So, when there is a chronic alcohol toxicity, what happens that alcohol leads to physical, social, moral, and mental deterioration when there is a chronic alcohol toxicity is there. Serum amino glutamyl transferase level is increases. Then physical symptoms of alcohol toxicity is that gastritis, pancreatitis, fatty liver, cirrhosis of liver, malabsorption, altered gonadal function, loss of memory. So baby born to mother who drink heavily in pregnancy are usually mentally retarded. So mental symptoms as delirium, tremens, psychotic condition in alcoholics due to long continuous action on brain, develop in habitual drinkers, characterized by acute insanity, insomnia, excitements, disorientation of time and place, tremors of face, tongue and hands, suicidal and homicidal tendencies, Korsakoff psychosis syndrome characterized by disorientation, multiple neuritis, loss of memory, and hallucinations. Also, they have acute hallucinosis. Then go for methanol poisoning. Accidental ingestion of methanol or adulterated alcoholic beverage containing methanol can produce dangerous effects on health, abdominal cramps, marked muscular weakness and dizziness, depressed cardiac and respiratory action, more marked effects on CNS than ethanol, blurring of vision or complete blindness, unconscious and coma, convulsions and death. Now treatment includes gastric lavage with 5% sodium bicarbonates. Antidote is ethyl alcohol, 1 ml per kg per day as 10% solution IV for 5 days. So then we go for morphine poisoning. So morphine is a phenanthrene alkaloids obtained from the dried juice of unripe capsule of poppy fruit of Papaver somniferus. Is present near about 10% in dried juice. Morphine is a drug classified as narcotic analgesic that is commonly used to treat moderate to severe pain. It acts by depressing the central nervous system, particularly depresses cortex, respiratory and cough centers in medulla, but stimulates vagus and vomiting centers. Its analgesic effects exerted by binding with mu1, mu2, and mu3, kappa, K1, K2, and K3, delta, and sigma receptors. Morphine is a very potent drug, and when one has developed tolerance due to frequent use, there is a possibility of dependence and addiction. The symptoms of morphine toxicity have several stages. Stage 1, similar as that of alcohol, stage of excitement and euphoria, increased sense of well-being, increased mental activity, flushing of face, sometimes hallucination. In children, marked convulsions occurs. This is short listing stage and may not be there if large dose is taken. Stage 2 or stage of stupor or depression, headache, nausea, vomiting, lethargy, drowsiness, contracted pupil, cyanosed face and itching all over body. Stage 3, narcosis, coma, deep coma, muscle relaxed, hypotension, hypothermia, cyanosis, pinpoint pupil not responding to eye, GN, stroke, breathing. You can see both are diagnosis of opium poisoning, coma, typical opium smell, raw flesh, cyanosis, pinpoint pupil, means extending the pupil at one point, froth at nose and mouth, GN, stroke, breathing, moist, cold skin, slow pulse, and hypothermia. The triad of pinpoint pupil, coma, and depressed respiration, 4 to 5 per minute, strongly suggest opiate poisoning. The Marcus test, 1 drop of mixture of sulfuric acid, 3 ml, and 3 drops of formalin dropped on blotting paper, soaked in material, purple, then violet, and finally blue color appears. Fatal dose is opium, 2 gram morphine, 200 milligram codeine, 0.5 gram and pethidine, 1 gram is a fatal doses. Treatment of morphine poisoning, gastric lavage has to be done. Even injected morphine is excreted in stomach. Potassium permanganate converts morphine into oxymorphine. Activated charcoal is the GI decontamination method of choice for patients with opiates intoxication following ingestions. Enema and purgatives can be given. Airways control and adequate oxygenation, endotracheal intubation is indicated in patients who cannot protect their airways. Symptomatic treatment has to be done. Antidote of morphine poisoning is the naloxone, 0.5, 0.4 to 2 milligram per IV every 5 minutes till the patient became conscious and pupil dilates. 0.1 milligram per kg in the child or infant. Nalmefene and naltrexone are newer opiate antagonists that have longer half-lives than naloxone, 4 to 8 hours and 8 to 12 hours versus 1 hour. Methadone, a long-acting narcotic often used to attenuate withdrawal symptoms and used in narcotics recovery programs, also has extensive potential for abuse. Another one of the most commonly used poisoning is organophosphorus. Mostly in homes, the people use organophosphorus poisons. So sometimes they have to drink these phosphates at homes and they come in emergency. Sorry. So organophosphate compounds are a diverse group of chemicals used in both domestic and industrial settings. Example of organophosphates includes insecticides. It contains malathion, parathion, dazinon, phentheon, dichlorose, chlorpyrifos, ethiones. Nerve gas is there, suman, serine, Tabun, VX, ophthalmic agents, ecothiopate, isofluoropate, and antihelminthics, trichlorophone, herbicides, tribofos, Marphos are triglyceride phosphate containing industrial chemicals. The primary mechanism of action of organophosphate pesticide is inhibition of acetylcholine. Now, organophosphates inactivate acetylcholine. Organophosphates inactivate by phosphorylating the serine hydroxyl group located at the active site of acetylcholine. Once acetylcholine has been inactivated, acetylcholine accumulates throughout the nervous system, resulting in overstimulation of muscarinic and nicotinic receptors. Now, accumulation of acetylcholine to hyperexcitation of muscles, a 30% drop in activity of cholinesterase result in toxicity. Clinical manifestation of organophosphates for poisoning according to receptors is that muscarinic, nicotinic, and centrals. In muscarinic, there are chemosis, blurred visions, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, salivation, lacrimation, bradycardia, abdominal pain, diaphoresis, wheezing, urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, and in nicotinic muscles, fasciculations, paralysis, pallor, muscles weakness, hypertension, tachycardia, mydriasis, in centers, unconsciousness, confusion, toxic psychosis, seizure, fatigue, respiratory depressions, dysarthria, ataxia, anxiety. Sign and symptom of organophosphorus poisoning is that poisoning may occur by ingestion, inhalation, or absorption through skin. Initial symptoms: headache, malaise, constriction of chest, photophobia. In 1 to 8 hours rest, all features mentioned above will appear. In severe cases, pulmonary and cerebral edema, cyanosis, pinpoint pupil, convulsion, coma, and leads to death. Fatal dose varies in between 25 milligrams to 25 grams. TPP 5 grams, parathion 150 milligrams, Malathion 25 grams, diazinon 10 to 20 grams are fatal doses. Now, treatment of organophosphorus poisoning. The goal of treatment is to reduce absorption of toxins, enhance elimination and neutralization of toxins, reduce absorption. What you have to do: removal from surface of skin, eyes and hair, emesis induction, gastric lavage with potassium permanganate or with sodium bisulfate, activated charcoal administration and cathartics, dilution, milk, other drinks for corrosiveness, whole bowel irrigations, and endoscopic or surgical removal of ingested chemical, skin decontaminations. Important aspect not to be neglected: remove contaminated clothing, wash with soap and water, soap containing 30% ethanol, advocated for such. Now, antidote can be given. Atropine blocks muscarinic effects. Atropine given initially 2 to 4 milligram in moderate poisoning and 4 to 6 milligram in severe poisoning, IV or intramuscular, and repeated 2 to 4 milligram at 3 to 10 minutes intervals. Atropine is given till the sign of atropinization in the form of dry mouth, dilated pupil, tachycardia, and warmth appears. Dose of atropine must be regulated cautiously so that no cyanosis and ventricular fibrillation occurs. Cholinesterase reactivators, oxime compounds are used, for example, diacetyl monoxime, protopam, palidoxime chloride, palidoxime iodide, P2S pyridine, aldoxime methane, sulfonate, P2M pyridine, aldoxime methylate, etc. These are given 1 to 2 gram IV as 5% solution in isotonic saline, slowly in 10 to 20 minutes repeated after 12.